Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm back with another video. Alright, if you guys new here, I'm trading Shawn's hedging strategy and this is my channel. Alright, feel free to follow my trading channel. So I'm trading this hedging strategy for a year. So I'm practicing and this is all about it. Alright, this is my trading journal and right now we're sitting at 24,510. We are into 1 month for this trading journey. And alright, let's get started. I'm in a few trades and I add one more trade and I closed few last week. So let's go and see how is performing so far. Okay, this is the one of the first trade I took. It's like actually the very first trade I took. So this one. So I thought first it's gonna sell out in here, but it hasn't, and it's started building the momentum. Is go all the way up, and right now I come all the way to this zone. So I sold here. I think it might coming down this way, but let's wait and see. So how can I manage this? So idea is if it is come back all the way, maybe if this one in a profit, if we come 1 to 1, I'm gonna close that one and close whole trade. So this one is minus 1,000, and if we make a 1,000 here, so we can close to break even, or like even a little bit minus. I don't mind. Get out. So get out from that trade. So that's the most logical way, I think. If we go all the way here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this position, this buy stop. I'm gonna close that position. I'm gonna sell one more here. So and pull back somewhere there or something like that. I'll close all of them and let's see how much we can make, or even a minus. All right, let's go and look. The next one, Euro NSD. Euro NSD is another trace. I mean, I think 2 weeks ago, something like that. This trade. So that one, first I thought as soon as come to this zone, this area, the previous high, I think it might reject, but it hasn't. It start to go up to the some sort of this zone. This is like a quite back in like a nearly 8-9 months ago, this zone. Anyway, it start, and then I sold one more here. So let's see how it's gonna work out. If it is come all the way down somewhere this area, 1 to 1, I can close everything. So it's a break even, something like that. If it's go against, let's see how it's gonna happen. If it is somewhere there, maybe I'm gonna close the same story like last time. All right, let's go and see the next one, USD JPY. USD JPY. This trade I'm in is almost like 2-3 weeks ago. That trade, I thought when you come to the previous high, it's gonna sell out here. By hasn't. Let's go to this previous high last year November time, this zone. So my idea, I think it might come down slowly next few weeks or a few days, end of this week or next week, something like that. It might come down here. You can make a profit or something like that. Let's see. It's in a minus, but it hasn't triggered the invalidations or the hedging positions, the buy stop. All right, next looks the next trade, NSD CAD. NSD CAD. Okay, NSD CAD, it hit the invalidation zone. So it come all the way here. It hit the sell stop. And it come all the way down. I was waiting to come to somewhere here so I can close the sell stop for profit and a buy here, one buy going up. I can close everything so I can make a profit, but it hasn't come down this area. But I don't think, because there's no logical to close this area, so it went out. I think it might reject here. Let's see how it's performing lower time frame. I'll keep an eye on that. And if it is started rejecting this zone, I'm gonna sell one somewhere here and waiting to come down or something like that, and trying to get out. So right now I'm still in the minus 1000, so I don't decide anything. So if it is rejecting tomorrow or today, if it is close like somewhere below the starting price, so that means I'm gonna sell one, something like that. Okay, let's look next one is the cat chf. That trade go against us as well, so I thought it's gonna come to this zone somewhere here. It will reject, but it hasn't reject, so it's going up and hit the buy stop invalidation zone. So right now it's come back here again. That's the same zone I was thinking about, somewhere like this. Like finding support this area. Let's see if he's come down here again, finding support here again. I'll probably buy one here. That means it's more likely to go up, like this trend like that. So something like that I can see, you know. If you know what I mean, like, you know, that sort of trend, something like that. So that means I think it's good to buy somewhere here, one more to get out from this trades to manage this position. All right, this is the one minus 1000, and this trade as soon as come to this zone, so I think it's gonna reject. So I sold one position, so invalidations below that buy stop one. Okay, and let's wait and see. I think it will reject this, come down. Okay, let's wait and see next couple of weeks. Okay, next one we in a CHF JPY. I come to this zone. I think it will gonna bounce back. Yeah, it's exactly same. It's bounce back, but so here to there probably maybe 150. So it's in a profit right now, but ooh, I should have closed, man, other day. Yo, I should have closed that to profit 1-to-1. Stupid, I haven't closed. Okay, I'll wait. If it is come all the way, maybe I'm gonna close it, or maybe I'll wait a little bit. It might go up a little bit more. Or you never know, because this one closed below that. Feel like I close it. I think it is 1-to-1. I'm gonna close it. Like about 150. Yeah, it was 1-to-1. Why didn't I close it? Yo, why didn't I close it, man? Okay. Okay, let's put something like that, 1-to-1. Something like that. So if it is hit again, it's gonna close out, something like that. That's the idea. Okay, next trade we are in Euro CAD. I entered today. So idea is, so this is the one of the very first trade I took, and it take a couple of weeks, and after that anyway it hit the target. So, and I come back all the way. I was waiting here to buy and deep in the zone, but it hasn't come close to the zone. There's a zone somewhere here, but anyway I haven't entered, so I was waiting somewhere here to enter. It was a nice trade if you come a little bit more down. Anyway, now we come to the zone again. I sold one, so hopefully you're gonna come down here a little bit, like somewhere like that. Anyway, I put like a 1-to-1, you know, and make a profit. All right, and let's go and see the next how is the market work for the next, what is my ideas and something like that for next couple of days. Euro GBP, it hasn't come all the way like deep in the zone. I was waiting to buy here somewhere deep in the zone. It hasn't come. It was close to the zone and then it bounced back. I think I slightly missed this trade as well, because it hasn't come to the deep in the zone. All right, this trade I close. If you watch my previous video, so I buy here, and a couple of days later anyway hit the target, so the 1-to-1 I get out, so it's make a profit. So now I'm waiting. I'm waiting. He might like a slowly go up, or and I don't know what this exactly is going to do right now. If it is because there's a zone somewhere here, and I think most likely look like a weekly chart. How is working on the weekly chart? Okay, I think most likely let's clear out all this. I need to clear out all these stuff. Need to fresh start. I think it might go up a little bit more, or maybe somewhere here. If it is come all the way here, I'm gonna sell. Right now it's in the middle. I'm not sure what it's going to do, so let's wait and see. And next one is GBP USD. GBP USD is exactly the same. It come to this zone, so I buy one and I hit the target next day or following day, like in 2 days is hit the target, so I made the profit, so I get out. So I'm not sure this area, it could have sell one more here, but not really sure, because you never know if come to the rejecting this zone, so I didn't not sure. I'm gonna wait in here. It might go down all the way here again. I'll probably buy one somewhere there, something like that. Just wait and see. Not sure what it's going to do. And next one is AUD CAD. If you watch my previous video, I enter here, so and then it hit the straight to the profit. So there's no, it's like a really nice trade. It hit in 3 days. So anyway, now it's keep going up. Like I could have stayed more, but anyway, I close where the most logical area to close it. So this is, I think, is the most logical area, and I'm not sure it's gonna go in all the way up, because this is the previous high. So as soon as come to the previous high, I close it. So let's wait and see. It might go up, or it will do whatever it's going to do. Anyway, next one, USD CAD all the way gone. So this is, I think I'm gonna sell here somewhere. Oh, I missed this trade. I should have sold in the morning. What? How did I miss that? I should have buy here and sell here, and then buy here. As soon as close this one, I should have buy here. Oh man, I missed that trade, and I miss again twice. That's mad. That's mad. What? How did I miss that? It's crazy. That's like a 2 grand. I should have sell here as soon as close this, come to this zone. Man, I should have buy here. So as soon as close this one, I should have buy and going up and sell here, and then no, buy here and then close that position and sell here. So it's gonna going down somewhere here. So I could have make like 2 grand. Shh. Not good, not good. Focus, man, focus. All right, next trade is GBP NSD. GBP NSD, if you watch my previous videos, this is the trade, you remember, it go against us, and oh, what is that? So this one I was sell here. Oh, let me look. GBP NSD, this one, GBP NSD, is like one of like I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago I brought this one in here, and then it go against us completely. So you remember here, so we thought it's gonna go down, but what happened? So as soon as come here, we thought it's gonna go down, by Hassan. So what happened? It go against, and then it hit the invalidation zone, so the buy stop. So, and a couple of days later, so it's hitting. If you look, you know, this area is hitting like a pin. This area, I thought, oh yeah, lower time frame is like a find resistance, this area. So I sold one here, and the next day, boom, straight up. But it gone up, by Hassan trigger the second buy stop here. So, and then come down all the way. As soon as come somewhere this area close to the previous entry, and I close everything. So this one is a minus 1000, and this one like almost close to 1-to-1, but I think probably maybe 800, something like that. So he's probably about, you know, like probably maybe 700, something like that. So, and he has probably, I think, 9500, something like this. So Yeah, something like that. So that means we didn't make it, we lost some money on this trade. So that one managed quite good, because it's gonna in technically it's gonna lose that 1,000, so we get out for a smaller loss. So that one is good. So now right now my idea is what I'm going to do is maybe I'm gonna it's good to buy, but I'll wait and see today how it's closed. If it's gonna push a little bit more, you can see this area is finding support, you know. I feel like a buying it, and at the same time, let's look like a weekly, how it's performing. See, weekly is really, I think most likely come down, maybe find support this trend line. So I feel like that sort of idea as well. Maybe I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see how is closing today. If it is close some above or something like that, let's say like maybe you know, the if like this candle is the most likely it will go down, come to this trend line, you know, somewhere here or something like that. But this one is other side is like a hammer, you know, that sort of, that means most likely to go on. And then the next day if we try again to find a support this zone, so that means good to buy, you know, that sort of idea. Like, if you know what I mean, you know, that sort of thing. Okay, I will keep an eye on that one. So it's like a 50-50. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% confident, like not even a 90%, you know. So I'll wait and see how it's working. And the next one, NSDJPY. Let's look daily. NSDJPY, yeah, it's good to sell here. Poof. Missed those trade anyway. I was seeing like a few more JPY, so I haven't like bothered about it. Anyway, so now I'm thinking about like maybe come to this zone or going up all the way and sell, you know, that sort of thing. But if finding slightly support in this zone, so not sure. It's like no idea. And next one, AUDJPY. Oh, it make a new high. Not sure. I'm not trading those making a new high, because the free. See, this is like a 2014, 15, even 2013. So I'm not really. I don't know what it's going to do now. It might like. Where is it? Like, you know, this building up the like zones, something like that. And let's see next. Start to find it rejecting this zone, so something good to sell. You know, that sort of idea. Okay, next one, Euro AUD. Oh, it's like, I think looks like it's breaking this support. So I think most likely to go down to find a support in this area. Most likely. So let's keep an eye on that one as well. That's a good one. So you know, that sort of idea. I don't think it's a good to buy here. Maybe you can buy here now. Maybe put in validation zone below this zone. Maybe I'll wait and see, because I'm not sure, because this is one broken already. So I'll wait and see. And next one, CAD-JPY. Not sure. I have to come to one of the other zones, so I'll wait. And next one, EUR-JPY. Most likely to come up like this new high making. Most likely. So it's gonna come up, you know, slowly, you know, that sort of setup. So I have to wait for one of these zones to come. And next one, AUD-CHF. Oh, it's make a new high. I think previous one like 2000 when? That's a while ago. So what I'm going to do, maybe let's say something like this setup. You know, that sort of setup. If start rejecting here again, nothing good to sell. You know, that sort of idea. Okay, that one I missed here again. If you like here should have buy, and here should have buy. Oh man, you should have buy. As soon as come to this one, you can close, and then go up, come back. If go up, you don't know it's gonna go up, so it's no good to buy here. You can close this one. If I buy here, I miss this trade. If I buy here, I sell here straight away as soon as the previous high. Close, and then I wait. It's gonna go up, come back, and then it should have not really, like, you know, they're sort of like away from the zone, come back, find the support, you know, they're sort of I'm not really still not sure I buy here, but you know, they're sort of like a go up, you know, that sort of thing. Like, yeah, let's see. I'm not sure. It's like it's not confident that one. Anyway, next one, GBP AUD. GBP AUD, I'm gonna wait. I think it's breaking this zone, so I think most likely to come down here, find a support, I think. Okay, that's my idea. Okay, next one, Euro USD. Euro USD, I have to wait for either these zones, because this yeah, either this zone, so I'll wait and see. And next one, USD CHF. USD CHF, I think most likely it's gonna come down to somewhere here, so you know, something like this setup, and then it might go up, you know, like that sort of setup. Okay, I'll wait and see. Next one, GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I have to come to one of these zones. So if you come all the way here, I could have sell, and I'm not sure I'm not really good at buying this sort of area. Anyway, it's not confident. If you come all the way here, I think good to sell. You know, you can like make like that sort of setup. That's a good one. And GBP CAD. GBP CAD. No, this one I need to come to one of these zones, because this is going everywhere, looks like it. So one of these zones is good to trade. And next one, NSD USD. I think NSD USD I need to keep an eye on. Most likely if we come back again, if I was rejecting, I think good to sell this area. I think it's most likely to go down. You know, that sort of setup. That's a good one. It start rejecting here. I think I need to come one more trying to go today, maybe end of the day, something like that, where it's gonna close. If it's called all the way up, it started rejecting lower time frame, boom, good to sell. I keep an eye on that one. Next one, Euro CHF. Euro CHF, oh, that one I need to keep an eye on. That's a good one. Oh, where's he gone? Yeah, it's a good one to one. So I'm waiting that sort of setup deep in the, see this area, something like that. Come back here again, lower time frame, it started rejecting, good to sell. That means if it is go all the way up to start rejecting, good to sell, bang, something like that. Okay, I'll keep an eye on these 4 pairs. Let's put this one here. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this sort of videos, hit like, subscribe, you know, like follow my journey so you can learn something from. Alright, that's all for today guys. If you guys like this sort of videos, hit like, subscribe, follow my trading journal. Also, comment below if you guys want me to open a Telegram channel. I mean, if you guys comment, if you guys like or that sort of thing, I will open a Telegram channel, and whenever I enter the trade or exit the trade, I will post on the, you know, if you guys like to follow, like you know, that sort of, so I can because also same time I need to put more time into it, you know, that sort of thing, because I need to take because also filling these things is take time, you know, if you know what I mean, like and then that one I can take the screenshot, I can post it on Telegram channel, like, so that way if it is like, you know, you have like a more idea, oh yeah, I enter here, I get out there, you know, that sort of, so I can give you more my insight thoughts, you know, how I'm trading, you know, that sort of thing. If you guys like, comment below, please comment below, and I will open a Telegram channel. So I think it take a little bit time me to you know, keep going that, but I can do that. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in a couple of days.